This is Dubious Insights. So I have a self-driving car that I've shown a couple times. This trained over 20 generations and we have it going forward pretty well. Eventually I'm going to cut this off because it just does pretty well. But my question is it overfitted? Is it going to do well in other cases? So to test that out, I really need to test it on different maps. And the best way to do that is just to test it in reverse. Let's make these cars go backwards and we'll see how well they do. Watch closely because it's subtle. You might see that the ones going the other direction don't do as well. And yeah, this is a classic case of overfitting. So the cars initially trained going forwards for 20 generations, and I'm showing generation 5 and 15 because they were the best. They don't do well going backwards. I played around with a couple different things to try to make them do well going backwards. And I tried alternating one generation going forwards, one generation going backwards, but then they did badly in both directions. I tried going 5 times forward and then 5 times backwards, and that didn't work. What I found actually worked well was to train forward and backwards in the same generation and do it in a way that the fitness function mostly tried to improve the worst direction, but also got a little bit of bonus if the better direction did well. So now I have, took 50, 60 generations, but now it can do forwards or backwards pretty well. This is Dubious Insights. Thanks for watching.